Unboxing the Gem Retro Digital Camera. Chris Fiola here with a look at a cute little thing available at Target for $15. It's a digital 3 megapixel camera with a plastic lens and takes micro SD cards. Why? Well, if you like the whole lomography lo-fi thing, here's a really cheap way to get into it. It's also a good way to have a digital camera that you can give to your young children or grandchildren and not care if they wreck it for $15. So little kids can be hard on stuff. So yeah, this in fact is one I've gotten from my grandson here. So I've already unboxed mine when I decided to do this. So let's slice this open here. Carefully. I'll put this all back in the box for him when I give it to him. It's all pretty straightforward here. You have a box inside the box, always amusing. And the bottom of that is completely empty. Up here you have the camera itself in a small bag, a charging cable, USB-C, and a little neck strap. And I'm not going to put this together right now because I'm going to let my grandson do that. Oh, there's also a little printed instruction paper there that we really don't care about. Here's mine already put together. I got myself the yellow one. These retro digital things, there's a whole line of them at $15 each at Target. Here is, I got a matching alarm clock to go with my yellow camera, and I do enjoy it. It's it's silly but fun, and the pictures are about what you expect. They look very lomography, lo-fi sort of. They're interesting, and they do okay. The camera does okay, and a lot of light, and not so good indoors with a little bit of light. It has a little Fresnel up here, but there is no actual flash. So there's also a couple of other items in this retro line that matches. You can get, like, you can see that the camera and the alarm clock are matching. They also have a matching Bluetooth speaker, and they have a matching little stand that you can shove your smartphone into that makes it look like an old-fashioned console television. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but if you do, they have it. So it's interesting, and we'll play some more with it. But no, I didn't get any of that other stuff there. It seemed even too silly for me. So that's it for Foto.Feola.Friday for this week. We'll take the camera out and get some shots, and you can see how it does next week. Fiola out!